Hey guys, how to view send follow request list on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram, okay? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right, all right? Click the three bars at the top right, and then go ahead to the account center or meta. And then you're gonna go ahead and click the third option in the account settings, your information and permissions. And then you're gonna be able right here to click download your information. And then you're gonna move along to download or transfer information. You're gonna select the specific account. Let's say for example, my Instagram account. And then if you want to download all the available information, go ahead and download it. Or in my case, some of my information, which is my followers info. Just scroll a little bit down. Scroll a little bit down till I find the followers somewhere. I'm gonna find it somewhere between here. If you haven't found it, just go ahead and select all of them, so you will be able, select all, right? And next, and then download to your device. You're basically gonna be able to download that last year if you want to, or last 6 months or last 3 months to narrow it down, right? You're gonna be able to basically download the information from that specific time till now. Okay, so let's put in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.